Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So firstly click on start, then settings, and in settings guys you will see this option storage. Click on it and here you will see this option storage management, and here the option storage sense automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So just you have to slide the setting to on position. Also turn on this option automatic user content cleanup, and here you can select the file like 30 days, delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. So this way without manually delete, it will automatically deleted temporary files and other things in your Windows 11. Also guys, you can clean up some unused files, so check this box and clean up. So this way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. So this way guys you can automatically delete files in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.